Our project was to create a Schlieren assembly controlled by computer to observe distortion in a transparent medium. The optical assembly uses a point light source, 3 lenses, and a razor blade. The first lens creates a parallel beam, allowing the second one to focus the light in a small point, cutting by the blade in order to create the Schlieren effect. The third lens projects the image of the distortion clear on the screen.
For the light source, it must be monochromatic and punctual. So we choose to use an LED. To be able to assemble the source, we created a PCB. It's a printed circuit board where we come to deposit the LED to make the source. We also have a camera control to be able to take pictures and videos of the results.
You can see the electronic assembly of the motor. The motor can rotate in this way, and it can rotate in the other way. The software has a description of the system, and the camera and motor can be controlled via it.